All right, so this is what the Forsythia is looking like at the end of March 2024. Honestly, I think it's looking pretty darn glorious. You can see that pruning it the way I did didn't really hurt a thing. What's fun to look at is how far up to the actual buds go. Because I know I had comments about how what was left, like what grew after I pruned, wouldn't have any flowers on it, because those buds are already formed. I mean, you can see the buds go at least up almost to the tip. Like there's definitely a range up at the top where they might not be flower buds, although I do see buds, so there might at least be leaves. This is what it looks like out my kitchen window. Little house plants looking on. All right, the sun is in my eyes, but for contrast, I'm about 5 feet 6 inches tall, and that's about where the blooms are at this point. So this is my kitchen window, and I can see out my window, but I can also see my beautiful Forsythia. So yeah, my sense is that my pruning of my Forsythia did exactly what I wanted it to do. I don't want it to be giant. I want to be able to see outside of my window and have it fit the scale of my house. I love where it is. So that's just how it turned out.